This is a 2016 Dodge Charger RT with the SCAT pack on it. It's got the HEMI 6.4 liter V8 with the 8-speed auto. We just put all 4 brand new tires on it. 245/45/20s. It's got the Brembos. The car hasn't been detailed, so keep that in mind. It's going to be a little dirty. Got the black spoiler, black Charger emblems. Proximity entry, so just walk up to the car, pull the door handle. It's got the ALCANTARA suede NAPPA leather performance seat package. Got the sunroof. Got a locking glove box with your owner's manual. Has the Beats audio. So this has the blind spot detection, cross path detection, adaptive cruise control with stop, full speed, forward collision warning plus, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, everything. Automatic high beams, rain sensing wipers. It's got heated seats for the second row and 2 USB ports. It's got the driver memory seat. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver seat. So your automatic headlights. $57,908 miles. Navigation. Backup camera. There's your Bluetooth, your cruise control. Got a heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. This has the technology package as well as the driver confidence package. Super Track Pack mode gives you all your performance pages, so it has launch control. You have your garage door opener. It's got the auto dimming rear view mirror. Illuminated visors. They also slide, and then you have a little extension here. It's got the heated side mirrors, and then you can see your blind spot detection there as well. It's also got a power adjustable steering column. also has remote start and then a button to pop the trunk as well.